In this video, I'll show you how to change the time zone in TradingView step by step. First, open your chart and then right-click anywhere on it. From the menu, select Settings. A new window will pop up where you can adjust different chart preferences. Look for the time zone option. By default, most charts are set to UTC, but you can switch this to any time zone you prefer depending on where you are or the market you follow. For example, if you're trading US stocks, you might want to change it to New York. Simply select New York from the list, click OK, and your chart will immediately update to reflect that time zone. This is really useful if you want your chart times to match the market session you're trading, or if you just prefer to see times displayed in your own local zone. And that's it. That's how you quickly change the time zone in TradingView. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other TradingView tutorials.